What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Eboh G.
Hello guys, this is Asha from Eboh's media group. This is the first estate we're gonna look at. It's Greenfield Estate, Okota Ago. So every inch of this estate was a canal. So you see the massive structures that has been erected here. So we're gonna take a tour of the estate. Then you see the multi-million dollar project that has been erected in this once lagoon or swamp. In this video, we'll show you what it takes to erect those kind of mansions in this estate, in this part of Lagos, Eboh stroke Ago axis. Okay, this is what it looks like. So we're actually lucky to get a piece of land that it's ongoing. This is the process that you have to go through. So as you can see, that guy over there is a laborer. So he's filling up the swamp. So this area is a swampy area. It's literally underwater. So what you have to do is you have to get tons and tons and tons of sand. Okay, when you get them, then you start this process of filling it up before you even think of any construction work on the site. So this is the first process. So most of it, in some part of this video, you will see that most of these swamps has been overgrown by bushes. So the first step is you have to actually clear the bushes. Then you get these tons of sand. Then you start filling them up. So after you get it filled up, you have to allow it for some time. Then the construction work can start. So all these buildings, all these beautiful mansions that you will be seeing in these videos is a product of a piece of land like this. So guys, we'll take you on a journey across the estates in this area. So this part of the video is to show you what all of them was like before the beautiful buildings that you will be seeing was erected. Okay, stay tuned. This is Eboh's Media. Upon the completion of this access road linking Ago to Eboh, most estates started developing. So we'll be assessing some of those estates that were once underwater. So this one is Start Times Estate. This is Victory Estate. So we'll be assessing most of these estates. So this is the Ago Okota Link Bridge that is linking Ago towards Eboh. So we are just on the bridge. So now we are in the other part of Eboh area of Lagos. Okay, see how massive the estate is. This is actually the first entrance. It has about 3 entrances. So there's a Catholic church next to it, so that's why you can see so many vehicles parked. This video is being shot on a Sunday. Multi-million naira buildings that has been erected in this place, in this estate that was once a lagoon, or call it a swamp. Every building that you see here was once a swamp. Still in the same estate. Divine Estate. Alright. So it has 2 entrances, but we'll use the other entrance as an exit. This is another school. This is a service apartment located here in Victoria State. It's an exquisite one, quite expensive. So like I said, there's a lot of construction work going on in this particular estate. Left. So they erect the buildings, like occupy almost the whole spaces, and the cars has to be outside. This is crazy. And it will interest you that most of these buildings, almost 90-95% of them are owned by the Igbos. You know, so this is what it is. You buy a plot of land for 100 million, spend about 10-15 million to fill it up before you start building. See how crazy that sounds. It is actually the end of the estate. This is the exit, or rather the back gate to the estate. So yeah. So almost all the land here has been sold, almost, for that staggering amount of money. 70 to 80 million for a plot of land. That's crazy.
Yo guys, so the video has come to an end, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. And if you do, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So guys, I hope you guys stay safe wherever you're watching from. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. One Nekodi.